guys, and welcome on programs overview in Oven AMICA. So the first program, it's a quick heating function. There we have a defrosting. There we have a fan with the grill and top heating. There we have a extended the super grill function. There we have a normal grill function. The bottom heating, the bottom and top heating, this is a convection mode. There we have the thermo mode. There we have a fan with the bottom and top heating. The next one is a fan with the bottom heating. This one is light, and the thermo with the echo with fan. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.